Imagine the sheer scale and precision it takes to turn a humble cow into a juicy steak. It's a transformation that might seem straightforward on your plate, but involves a complex, highly orchestrated process behind the scenes. Today, we're peeling back the curtain on the meat production process at the factory level. Get ready to dive into a world where science, technology, and logistics come together to deliver your favorite cuts of meat. Subscribe now and join Captain Discovery's journey. In the ancient world, humans have been consuming meat for millions of years, relying on hunting wild animals to provide this essential food source. As societies evolved, particularly during the medieval period, meat became increasingly prevalent in agricultural and pastoral communities. It was a key feature of feasts and celebrations, symbolizing wealth and prosperity. The Industrial Revolution in the 19th century brought dramatic changes to meat production. Innovations such as meatpacking plants and refrigerated rail cars revolutionized the industry, making it possible to transport and preserve meat over long distances with greater efficiency. This marked a significant shift from the traditional methods of processing meat. Entering the 20th century, advancements in technology further transformed meat production. Automated production lines and rigorous food safety regulations were introduced, greatly improving the efficiency of meat processing and ensuring that it met high safety standards. These developments made meat more accessible and safer for consumers, reflecting a remarkable evolution from its early consumption by hunters to its modern production in advanced facilities. Now let's dive into the modern meat production process. The journey begins with livestock arriving at the factory. Upon arrival, animals are carefully inspected to ensure they meet quality and health standards. This step is crucial, as it ensures that only the best quality meat makes it to the next stage. Picture a bustling factory where each animal is scrutinized before moving forward, a process that can involve handling up to 1,000 cattle in a single day at the largest facilities. Fun fact, the largest meatpacking plants in the US process over 7,000 cattle a day. How many cattle do you think your local plant handles in a week? Share your guesses in the comments. Once cleared, the animals are stunned to ensure that they are unconscious before slaughter, following strict humane standards. This is a critical process, as it ensures a quick and humane death. Following this, the animals are slaughtered, and the meat is prepared for processing. This stage is highly regulated, with facilities adhering to strict guidelines to ensure the highest standards of meat safety and quality. The meat now moves to the processing area, where it undergoes several stages. First, the carcasses are split into halves or quarters. Next, skilled butchers cut the meat into various cuts, from steaks to roasts. At this stage, facilities might process up to 500,000 pounds of meat in a single day. It's a high-speed operation that relies on both human expertise and advanced machinery. After butchering, the meat is packaged according to its intended use. Some cuts are vacuum sealed for freshness, while others are prepared for further processing into products like sausages or ground beef. Quality control is a continuous process here, ensuring that every package meets safety and quality standards. With automated systems checking for consistency, this stage is all about precision and reliability. The final stage is distribution. packaged meat is loaded onto refrigerated trucks and sent to various retailers and restaurants. While the meat production process is impressive, it also comes with environmental considerations. Large-scale meat production can contribute to greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation, and water usage. Many companies are now investing in more sustainable practices, such as improved waste management and energy-efficient technologies. These efforts aim to reduce the environmental footprint of meat production while meeting the ever-growing demand for meat products. Enjoy exploring factory production with us? Like, share, and subscribe to Captain Discovery for more fascinating insights into manufacturing.